Good morning. It's the Ambassador at 9 o'clock on Monday, the 21st of December. Emerging markets are seeing an upward trend this morning on a weaker dollar and a lack of data, and actually some strong economic comments out of the Central European Commission about growth next year. Also out of the UK, expectations of 1.2 revised up from 0.9 2010 growth. So pretty good backdrop. China, India, just watching these markets, they're both more or less at 6-week lows, despite the fact China was up 30 bips, India down 71, and some concerns about inflation in India. That will always be an impediment to any real government and regulatory change in any progress the economy's been making to take down bureaucracy, watch inflation numbers there, but something that's been keeping a lid on things. South Korea down 17 bips, Taiwan up 43. Into Eastern Europe, Russia's up 20 bips. Oil is somewhat flat up. Russia's trading in sympathy with that, but also a market that's been trading pretty well over the last few weeks, still expecting a melt up into year-end. Turkey up 77 bips into South Africa. Market up 36 bips. Watch that currency. The rand is 130 basis points weaker now at 6-week lows there. Ultimately, a very good thing for a number of the domestic export plays. And into Latin America, Brazil opening up 95 basis points. Chile down 8 and expecting a lot of good news coming out of Brazil in the next couple of days, but Lula on the tape this morning talking about no permanent tax hikes in Brazil. In fact, tax cuts coming and some overall very positive news for the economy. No data on the U.S. front until really later this week, and in fact tomorrow we get a reading of third quarter GDP. It'll be the second reading. Don't think the markets have a lot to react on, and therefore I think we'll be following lighter flow, higher volatility, but a very good tone, and don't expect any break of this 1097 on the S&P. Therefore, still have a forecast and a view that we can see markets trade another 10 S&P points or so higher into year-end, which will be very supportive to emerging markets. That's it.